Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. Samantha here, unboxing my favorite subscription box. I've been unboxing for them, I think, like 3 years my subscription's been going. I found them or they found me, I don't remember, like right out the gate. And I'm a mom. I have 2 little kids. I run 2 companies. I am so lucky if I get my hair in like some kind of top knot and throw in my yoga pants. If I throw in my yoga pants, a yoga shirt, and like some kind of cover up, my friends are like, why are you dressed up? It's where it's at. It's a stage of life. So having a lot of options on yoga wear is such a blessing to me. Yoga Club makes it easy. You get in each box, we get 3 items. And typically it's a top, a sports bra, and a bottom. But sometimes, like if I've got plenty of sports bras, I'm like, hey, can I get a couple more tops? Or if I want capri pants versus pants, you have a whole style profile you fill out. And then after you receive your box, you rate your box and communicate with your stylist. So you're always in an open dialogue, you're always talking with them. So if I'm like, hey, I wanna try some neutral colors because I've been super wild on my colors recently, they'll send me neutrals. It is super nice. And of course, having been with them as long as I've been with them now, my stylist knows exactly what I love. So I only put in request if I have something like totally random, like, oh, I know the kids and I are going to be going to such and such event and I want to have a dark blue pair of yoga pants and an orange top, you know, that kind of stuff. I have not loved every single box because that would be silly to say that, but I do have to say the far majority of them have been spot on. I do have a coupon code that gives you $20 off each box for life. I've linked it down below. Check it out. If you don't already follow me and my little family on Instagram, go check us out. I'll plug it in somewhere. Look around. Or at The Pink Envelope. You can find me anywhere. The Pink Envelope. Twitter, I never use it really. Of course, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, my website. I think I had a Snapchat at one point, but does anybody still do that? And what else is still out there? Yeah. Go find me, follow along, submit requests if you have boxes you want to see, people you want to see. I'd like to get my hubby in front of the camera more. Comment below, reach out, let me know. All right, y'all ready for me to shut up because you're just here to, yeah, I get it. Okay, I have 2 months worth of boxes because I thought it'd be fun to like just dive in and double haul this sucker. So let's see what's inside these. Head to head, here we go. 2 boxes. Now I'll confess, these were not ripped open and the clothes were not messed up like this. My hubby took a peek inside the box and so this is new to me, but he did destroy the gorgeousness that Yoga Club provides. In the box to my left, your right, we have this glider top, super cute. MSRP, retail value, $44. Very cute. This sucker is incredibly soft. Box on my right, your left, has, who is this? Chaser brand, retail value of $55. And that's the back. And this is the front. So already you can see these are completely opposite tops. Very cute. This one is not as soft, but it's got more structure to it, and I like it. Ooh, I like this sports bra. That is super cute. So here is the front. Oh, Samantha, seriously. This is by who? Vi Activewear. I think that's how you say it, V-I-E. There's a lot of straps in the back, and I don't know how to straighten them out. Look at this. This is embarrassing. It'll be straightened out once it's on my body, which I'm gonna put it on and show you guys this. But I love this navy. Love this navy. Does it have MSRP on it? 58 bucks. So the whole box cost $79, $69, it's $79, but I'm giving you $20 off, so it's $59. The whole box costs this much. So those are my free items. And here, oh, I love this. I have never received a bra from them like this, and I love this. This is from Free People, retail value of 30 bucks. I'm very excited about this. How do they continually give me new things? That's crazy. Okay, these pants are by AR33. Yo, I don't do yoga. I don't work out, if we're being real honest about things. I do brunch, I drink wine, I chase kids. So, I don't know how to pronounce a lot of these names because I'm not educated. But I love the clothes. I do know that. Love these pants, love the design, love the colors. They're super soft. It does look like a full pant. It is a high waist, and I was wondering if it had a value, but it does not. I could look it up online. But these are super cute. All right, on this side, I have pants from, it's a mystery. They're super cute though, look at them. Love these. They have a retail value of $79. Oh, it's Onzie. That's silly. So there we go. All right. The boxes come with various offers. Every box has a different offer, a different thing. This one has wine, and this one has a full sample inside. Well, that's fancy. So there we go. Okay. Y'all ready just to see these things on? Let's go try them on. Okay. This is the outfit from the box on this side. The pants are amazing. They feel amazing. I love them. I think in 3 years, I've only had one pair of yoga pants that had, I guess, a quote unquote see-through problem. All of the pants have been great. I'm also a size small. I weigh 105 pounds. I'm about 5'4" and a half. And so I'm kind of built like a little boy. There's not much to stretch things out. So things don't get see-through on me very often. So the see-through pants that everybody talked about looked great on me. I guess there are blessings in all things. I love the tops like this because you can kind of do whatever you want. I have it tied in the front because I thought it was cute. Sometimes I tie them just in the back. You can kind of do what you want with these tops. They're super, super versatile. They're super stretchy. They're super forgiving. I don't have one that's asymmetrical like this, so I love that it's asymmetrical. And then underneath, I have the sports bra that came with it. Told you once I got it on, I could figure out the straps. Cute, comfy. Some of them are a little lower cut, some are higher cut, some have padding, some don't. This is a lower cut and it doesn't have padding. So I wear a thicker top with it. So I'm not like, you know, showing off all the stuff. So here you go. This is just one outfit. And I have to say, there is no way I could go into a retail outlet and buy this for the same price. I always get the comment, this is, well, I could go to Ross and I could snag that for half the price. I've never in 3 years actually had anybody show proof. You just won't do it. There's not enough time. Time with my kids is precious. Time is my most precious commodity. So I am thankful that I have a very reasonably priced company that will ship this stuff to my front door, and all I have to do is put it on. Okay, you wanna see outfit number 2? Let's go. Okay, here's outfit number 2, the one that was on this side. I love it also. The pants are definitely more high-waisted. I love high-waist pants, kind of, you know, holds all this stuff together. These are much longer also, which I like because now I've got 2 different lengths. And I love the little galaxy print. I think they're super cute. And this top is great. Obviously, completely opposite of the one I just showed you. It's incredibly, incredibly comfortable. It has good stretch and forgiveness. I love it also. And then the bra, the sports bra, whatever, lounge bra. I love this guy. I love it. I think it is so cute. Now, I mean, for you mamas who have been there, I've breastfed 2 babies, so I have to wear a little bit of padding to kind of keep things under control. So I don't know if I would partner these 2 together because there's just not enough thickness to hide things, let's put it that way. But that's the beauty of this. Everything in this is so mix and match. I could wear the black top that I just had on with this and it would look just as cute. This bra is wildly comfortable. Maybe something I could wear around the house with my hubby. Okay, so here you go. Here's 2 Yoga Club boxes. If you guys want to sign up, go below. I've got tons of information. The quiz, there's 2 options on the quiz. Take your time, Do the full quiz and put in your information. It's not hard. Be honest about what you like and don't like, and be honest about your sizing so that your stylist can style you appropriately. Make sure you give feedback on your box after you get it. Use my coupon code so you save 20 bucks. And come back and comment. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, go below, give us a thumbs up. It's super encouraging when we see those come in. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for hanging with me, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.